Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A spacious, inviting outdoor patio area under a wooden pergola. Wooden lattice screens create a sheltered seating area. Gray, dark gray, and brown outdoor furniture, including a sectional sofa with patterned pillows and throw blankets, surrounds a square fire pit. The fire pit is burning with flames. The patio floor is a combination of light gray flagstone pavers with a dark gray gravel base. Greenery in pots and growing vegetation fills the space, including lush plants and ivy climbing the pergola supports. The pergola framework and lattice components are a warm, brownish redwood tone. The surrounding backyard features a wooden fence and more trees. A lush, modern outdoor pergola with a comfortable seating area. Hyper-realistic rendering of a garden gazebo, constructed of light brown wood with slatted partitions. Dense greenery, including various tropical plants and vines, climbs the wooden walls, creating a lush, enclosed space. A sectional sofa set upholstered in dark gray and beige fabrics with matching pillows is centered beneath the pergola. Natural light streams through the slats, casting gentle shadows on the furniture. A round cement coffee table sits in front of the sofa, along with a small side table in lighter stone color. The flooring is light-toned wood decking, transitioning to a light beige stone patio surrounding the gazebo. The background includes a dark gray and concrete wall, and lush green foliage. A tranquil backyard oasis featuring a koi pond nestled beneath a dark pergola. The pergola, with its dark gray or black wooden beams and pillars, casts a shade over the water feature. The pond is lined with stacked, light gray and beige stones creating a raised border. Koi fish are visible swimming in the still water. A small cascading waterfall adds a calming element to the scene. Surrounding the pond are lush green tropical plants, varying in textures and leaf shapes, creating a sense of depth and natural beauty. A dark gray or black wooden fence lines the background, providing a backdrop with vertical lines that contrast with the curved lines of the pond. A small light source is visible near the pond's edge. A tranquil outdoor patio with a wooden pergola at dusk. Hyper-realistic rendering. Soft, warm, golden yellow lighting accents the plantings, furniture, and the pergola structure, creating a serene ambience. The pergola is supported by dark brown wooden pillars, with a slatted wooden roof. Dark gray/charcoal modern patio furniture including a sofa and armchairs, and a fire pit. Several types of tall grasses and plantings, like pampas grass, are strategically placed around the patio area. The surrounding landscaping includes lush green lawns, and other foliage, with soft shadows cast by the trees and pergola. The background is a mix of trees and shrubs, creating depth and dimension. A covered outdoor patio, impressionistic, featuring a light gray-white sectional sofa suite with pillows in shades of blue and white stripes. The pillows are also in darker shades of blue and indigo, some have intricate patterns. Wooden plank furniture with a large wooden plank coffee table with decorative blue and white vases and a wooden tray resting on the tabletop. The patio has white slatted shutters on part of the house and a lush green plant. A white pergola with wooden beams and posts and trees, light gray-white walls and a wood fence form the background. The scene is bright and airy, with natural light filtering through the trees. The overall color palette is a mix of cool whites, light grays, and various shades of blue, reflecting a coastal or nautical aesthetic. A modern outdoor pergola setup, hyper-realistic in style. A dark gray/black pergola with light brown slatted wooden roof shades a sectional sofa set of dark gray cushions and patterned throw pillows. The pergola is supported by dark gray/black pillars. Surrounding the seating area is a patio of light gray/beige stone decking, with a gravel border that transitions to a lawn. Small potted plants, flowers, and hanging baskets add pops of color: pink, orange, purple, yellow/gold. A wooden privacy fence is behind the seating area, in a light warm brown. A variety of trees and shrubs, including a vibrant red maple, surround the pergola, creating a lush backyard setting. Natural lighting illuminates the scene, casting soft shadows. A spacious, tropical-style outdoor patio area under a pergola. The pergola is constructed of dark brown wood and black metal beams, with a lush, green wall of foliage growing up the supports and beneath the overhang. String lights illuminate the plants, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. A light gray wooden deck extends the length of the patio. A sectional sofa set with olive green and taupe throw pillows sits on the deck. Various potted tropical plants, including banana plants, flourish around the seating area. The overall aesthetic is impressionistic, with soft lighting and a focus on the natural beauty of the plants and the warm, relaxed atmosphere. A glass-roofed pergola, nestled within a lush garden, featuring a comfortable seating area. The pergola structure is black metal, with a glass roof that allows natural light to filter through. The overall ambience is tranquil and inviting, with a variety of vibrant green plants and flowers surrounding a light beige couch. The plants are varied in type and size, creating depth and texture. A light wooden floor, a low coffee table, and potted plants are in the pergola. Everything is neatly organized and well-maintained. The stone walls of the garden are visible in the background, adding depth and character to the scene. The image is hyper-realistic. A meticulously landscaped Zen garden featuring a bamboo pergola. The scene is highly detailed, hyper-realistic, and evokes a sense of tranquility. The pergola, constructed of dark brown bamboo beams, extends over a patio area. The patio is paved with light gray stone. A small water feature, a cascading waterfall over rocks, flows into a small pond. The pond is surrounded by various sizes of rocks, mainly dark gray and brown. The surrounding landscape includes strategically placed shrubs, bushes, and trees, creating a visually appealing composition. Large areas of light tan-colored gravel and smaller gray stones are used as pathways. The colors are muted, primarily browns, grays, and greens. A spacious, light-filled outdoor pergola with a light beige linen canopy draped over a wooden structure. The deck floor is a light gray/white wood plank, creating a pattern of shadows and sunlight. Multiple potted plants, including lavender and other greenery, are placed around the deck in deep blue ceramic planters. A long wooden dining table sits center, surrounded by woven wicker chairs and modern white chairs with black metal legs. A pool is visible in the background, with light blue lounge chairs and cushions. The pergola is supported by weathered, natural-toned wooden posts and beams. The greenery of trees and bushes is lush and vibrant, in shades of green, with glimpses of a light terracotta-colored building and other structures. A modern, minimalist outdoor patio area. Hyper-realistic rendering of a pergola with light brownish tan wooden beams and slats, covered with cascading greenery. A gray concrete wall forms the backdrop, slightly textured, with subtle shadows. A light gray sectional sofa set, with light beige cushions, sits beneath the pergola. The sofa is constructed of light brown wood. A round, dark gray/brownish coffee table sits in the middle of the seating area. 2 potted olive trees, in gray/concrete planters, flank the sofa. The ground is a light gray/white stone or tile, creating a clean, contemporary feel. The greenery is lush and natural. A gray wooden pergola with a swing bed, set on a deck. The pergola is framed by a hedge of lush green bushes, and trees in the background. The swing bed has light beige cushions and a light beige mattress. The deck is light gray wood. Attached to the swing bed is an umbrella-like hanging object. The overall impression is serene and relaxing, with a sense of calm outdoor living space. Hyper-realistic style. Include details of the varied greenery around the pergola, the depth of the hedge, and the texture of the wood. Dark brown rope swing ropes. Soft natural light. Include elements of shadows under the pergola and around the seating area. A modern, outdoor patio area at dusk, featuring a stylish black pergola with illuminated slats. The pergola is overhead, covering a seating area with wicker furniture and patio cushions. The patio is paved with light gray stone. There's a gas grill and stone countertops. The surrounding landscape includes lush greenery, trees, and shrubs, softly lit by outdoor lighting that casts a warm glow. A small water feature is visible. The house in the background is a muted beige color, with a visible chimney. The sky is a mix of soft blues and light gray clouds. The overall impression is of a calm, relaxing evening ambience, with a mix of modern and natural elements. Hyper-realistic aesthetic. Include subtle details like textures of the pergola, patio stones, and foliage, warm lighting on faces and objects.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.